abanyeshengero babanze kurambura enguuto ya kamisani okuza akasure hamwe n'eya kyamanja okuza amagomezi ibiri ziriho nizikorwa gye kwonka kubakira aha ya Nabingola kuza hapuyo kweyongerayo kuza Kakabara na motoka zabo zibire ziremerwe kurabamu.
Oruguuto rukuruga kijani barora amayisane kasure oruguuto rwa sente za Uganda Road Fund budget ya district kandi oruguuto twasanga cyarimo kuburamu na muno challenge yo kugira ine pipe runde carvasses kwenda kwamu ntijja kwikara kiro cyanyita mu rukurato turareke cyo gukora oruguuto ni rubi oruguuto rufitire rutakabire kukozesebwa o government yahire contract pekasa ngakora oruguuto rwena ya rudabaga rwafera kimwe rusisikire yadatakabire ku ruhanding over cyonka twamara kurambura nka district roads committee tureba ngo omushizo ogu ubahire contract ushwa asemerirwa akwatwe no kusibwa asibwe.
Enguuto eje ino buringwa bwa kilomita 8 kandi ejeriyo nekorwa ba pekasa amwendo gwa sente guru kwingana biliyoni 1 na miliyoni 9.
Atari mabari habi oruguuto rwa pekasa rumuremere, it is a failed project. There is nothing, there is nowhere we can say okay nasobora ata kuteka entumo ya mabale mu muhanda since October akaikana na closing oruguuto tukatandika kusera busera turara
amazima oruguuto rwitu rwa pekasa tuenka batura tuteka kuba twerwabiri ako oruguuto rwagira miliyoni 16 kushanga nguka ko rumumbere rurimu mazima tinunje nakaje kandi kutwarebere nangwa prime minister yija Robin na banja tukateka ngo at least atobiyisha twacunguru bongo mushija pekasa no buhizire prime minister no bwatarizire turarebero mpinduka yone yabiro.
Enguuto eje kabiri yo kumbwire bw'amezi 6 konka hateriyo neja kweze emyaka 2 etakahwaga sande George konturakita w'enguuto eji nagira ngo akateganisibwa amabara garukwenda sente nyamwinji okugata.
Now, when we reach them after them approving the rock blasting, then they brought the things back to the ground. They said, but if you rock blast, any house which is damaged, according to the NEMA, the people should be compensated.
Yes.
There are over 800 people around that area because almost a quarter of the road are rocks.
Yes.
So now, if each person, if you blast and each person needs compensation, you know these people of these days.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay, let's say to the minimum of 500,000 or 1 million.
Yes.
Do you know that the contractor have got to pay 800 million for damages if you rock blast?
Ubwo hatabariyoni bakora oruguuto bahereze kushashurwa biliyoni 1 na miliyoni 3 ahari biliyoni 1 na miliyoni 9 konke cyo busase okuraba mu nguuto eji na mino ga ruguru. Gasha kwa Ferupu Murangira.